What is up, guys? This is Jeff Caldwell with Online Traffic Gods, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys one of my personally favorite funnels. I call this the MLM funnel, and this is literally what I've been using to grow my downline, grow my team, and I'm going to show you guys that I added basically 3 affiliate programs inside this one funnel. So if you guys are watching this video, you guys are going to want to watch this the whole way through, because at the end, I'm going to give you guys the share link. Basically, at the end of this whole entire funnel, I'm going to give you guys the share link to be able to duplicate this whole entire thing, enter in either the MLM company that I give you. You guys could join my downline, or you guys can completely add in your own MLM company into this funnel. Okay, so if you guys haven't used Clickfunnels, I'm going to show you guys today, by far one of my favorite converting funnels. And so check this out. And here's this homepage, right? So here we're going to go right here. And if you guys, I'm going to drop the down below in the comments, so you guys could actually see the URL to this funnel. So if you guys want to go through this with me, you guys could actually go through this with me and just like apply for the same programs, actually get this funnel in the same time. And so this is inside Clickfunnels. I'm going to show you right here. All right, so this is my funnel. I'm going to show you guys the whole entire thing. All right, so get ready. All right, so here is download your free MLM funnel. I'm going to type in my information and my email. I'm going to hit submit. And here's next step 2, and this is your MLM funnel application form. And here's what you're going to get. Apply below. It's free. So I don't charge you guys for this funnel. All right, and your first company for me, so step 2, this is your information, step 1. Step 2 is actually your affiliate IDs. All right, and the first company is HempWorks. All right, so we're gonna go and click right here. I actually used HempWorks because HempWorks is a little hard to advertise, right? And so you're gonna come to this page and you're gonna actually type in your information right here, and you're going to hit submit, and you're going to go take a tour, right? I'm going to take a tour on the inside. My ID already exists, so you guys are actually going to take a tour. Now, if this is the company that you guys want to be with, I highly recommend, this is the company I'm personally with. This is a CBD product. You don't have to build a funnel on top of this. You could absolutely 100% share the website links that they give you, and I highly encourage you to do that for like that. You know, if you guys are part of any multi-level marketing, you still want to use paid traffic, but you also want to go directly to the source. And people are really, really interested in the CBD product. So this is a fantastic, fantastic product to promote. So that is one of them. So you're going to go inside and you're going to get your affiliate ID. And then you're going to enter your affiliate ID right here. I'm just going to put mine right now for Jeff Claude. All right, and then the second company is Clickfunnels. The same thing. You're going to go here and you're going to get this link. Right, and here you're actually going to be signing up for Clickfunnels. This is another affiliate program that I want you guys to sign up for, and you're going to log into your affiliate account here, or you're going to sign up to become an affiliate right here. All right, and so that's step 2. Once you have that affiliate ID, you're going to enter it in here. It might give you a 5-digit number. All right, and that's mine. Don't use mine. All right, and the third company is Udemy. Now, if you guys never seen or heard about this company, this is actually one of the best traffic sources to get. You don't have to figure out how to do Facebook. You don't have to figure out how to do SEO. You don't have to figure out how to do Google, paid ads, nothing like that. You just have to go here and find like reputable sellers. I'm going to show you guys right now. All right, so you're going to go here, and this is Udemy or Udemy, however it's pronounced. And you're also going to go here and get your affiliate link. But this is actually the solo ad provider. So this is actually my account. I'm going to log in right here. So when you guys go to that home page, let's see. I'm logged in. But if you guys see, so I'm actually logged in. You guys could order solo traffic from me if you guys ever want. But you could also go inside here, and these are all your solo ad dealers. So these people will actually send a set amount of visitors right to the landing page that we create in the funnel that I give you guys. They're going to be able to send traffic right over here. And so this is really fantastic, really phenomenal, because this is going to be able to help you be able to drive traffic right to this website. All right, and this last page is your done for you free MLM funnel. I just want to hit, well, first enter your guys' affiliate number. You guys want to get signed up for the affiliate program with this, because then you guys are actually going to be able to make commission from this also for anyone else that signs up. All right, and your last step is click done. So I'm just going to type in done here. All right, and get my MLM funnel now. All right, and it's submit. And congratulations, your MLM funnel is on the way. Here's your MLM funnel. All right, and so this is, keep an eye on your email. I also send over some additional bonuses, so make sure you guys check out your email. And then click here to download your MLM funnel. Once you click here, you're going to be downloading it into your account. And you're going to see right here, this is, if you guys have a ClickFunnels account already, it's just going to upload right into your guys' ClickFunnels account. If you do not have a ClickFunnels account already, it's going to prompt you to join one. It is a 14-day free trial, so I highly recommend you to do that. And then last, but definitely not least, you guys are going to see right here, click here to get your top 10 solo ad vendor list. This is actually for this site, so you guys can see what are the top 10 best ones that I've already tried, proven that they work, and you're going to love that, so you definitely want to get that. And then this is Traffic on Demand, helps you guys set up tracking. Highly recommend that also, so you can check who's making you the most money inside Udemy. And then last is click here to book your free strategy call. If you guys got this funnel from me, awesome. Highly recommend you guys reaching out to me, Jeffrey Caldwell, on Facebook, or reaching out to the person that sent you this funnel so you guys could book a strategy call with them. You guys could basically team up, or we could partner, and we could create more things, right? Like, this is all about having fun, building businesses, and just rocking it. And so I hope you guys love this little training with your guys' MLM ClickFunnels funnels. And if you guys haven't joined my group already, I highly recommend you joining my group on Facebook, MLM Funnel Hackers. And this is going to get you guys access. My next video that I'm going to make is going to be me actually setting up this funnel. And so I'm going to show you guys that, and I can't wait. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.